Freya started playing rugby in league in under sixes, and she always wanted to be either a Kiwi fern or a black fern.
So when Freya got the scholarship to Manukura, it was a big game changer for us.
It means the world for us because it means that she can travel the world and she can see the world and she has the potential.
It was tough, yeah. Me and my wife had arguments. She'll say no and I'll say yes, and we'll flip again, and then she'll say yes and I'll say no.
Oh, well, you know, I'm staunch papatuanuku, you know, we don't need any other things in our body but what papatuanuku provides us. So I was real scared about that. And the irreversible injuries that could occur. It takes me putting my guard down and seeing the journey with Dad and all the messages that come through to put my beliefs to the side here for her.
Leading up to it, the jab probably went against everything that I really believed in about not having the vax. But I talked to her and everything. It's just the way the world is now.
I went for a romi over in Ruatoki with Taumatu, and it hurt like heck. And the messages that was coming through that he said to me was, you know, Whaia, sometimes you got to let go of those traditional ways. Still keep them within your heart. And actually I started crying because I know what he was saying. The next morning Dad rang me and said, oh babe, I've got to go in for my booster, and the fella that administered it, he put it in his arm and we were still talking, and Dad was just like so sweet, and I was like, heck, he didn't faint, he didn't have a heart attack, and he was sweet. And I said, well, if Dad can do it, we need to we need to do this for our girl.
The reason why I got my vaccination, my jab, was because I was missing out a lot on my rep rugby and touch. I got it so I could carry on with my dream and to go to school and to be a bigger role model for my upcoming whānau.
It felt like all that weight lifted off my shoulders because I was waiting for the mandates to finish, and I was becoming quite a toxic person, and I didn't like who I was becoming. My advice would be love unconditionally and to be kind to one another, and also what someone's belief is their belief, and support them in that.
Sit down and have a good kōrero with your whānau, or whoever's taking it. I did it for my baby, so I did it for my whānau.